How to send a private message on Google Classroom. If you wish to send a private message to your teacher, you can do that. The Classroom does not have a messenger app system. For you to send a private message, you will have to send a private comment. Please be careful not to send a normal comment, as all persons, including your classmates, will see that. To send a private comment, go to an assignment. You can do that by opening an assignment from the Stream Zone or just go to the CLasswork section. Select an assignment. Tap on Add Private Comment. Please be careful not to tap on Add Class Comment. Now write the private comment you wish to send to the teacher. Tap the Send button. Your teacher should be notified about your comment. Also, when they grade your work, the teacher will be able to see your sent message. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.